Hello, my name is Mona Lisa, and I am going to show you how to download a free 60-day copy of Articulate Storyline 360. You will be able to use Articulate Storyline 360 to build out your first module, and you can start selling it. Let's get started.
Let's first begin by opening a browser window. I'm using Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer, Edge, whichever browser you prefer. In the address bar, type Articulate, spelled ARTICULATE, and Articulate 360 appears in the list. Let's click that. Let's bypass the ads and go straight to articulate.com. Click the articulate.com 360 link. You will see the articulate.com 360 screen. To start your free 60-day trial, enter your details in the short form on the right. Enter your email address, a password, your first name, last name, your organization. Select your country if you're outside of the United States, and enter your phone number. Next, click the checkbox to accept the policies and terms, and then click the Activate Articulate 360 Trial button. You will see a success message indicating success of your free 60-day trial of Articulate 360. And it also mentions to check your email to get started. Next, you would navigate to your email account that you used to sign up for Articulate 360. Click Done, and now we will go to our email. Here is the email from Articulate. Click on the email and then click on the link. You will see a message that says to activate your trial. Enter your password. You should see your name and email address. You will use your email address and password to sign into Articulate 360. After entering your password, select the checkbox and then click Activate Articulate 360 Trial. On this screen, you are asked to add team members to your trial. You can click Skip for now. Now we are on the Get Started with Articulate 360 page. Notice it presents a checklist. Verify email is already crossed off the list. We skipped Add team members to your trial. Now we can download Storyline 360. Click the button to download Storyline 360. You will see the Articulate360.exe file. This lets you know that Articulate 360 is downloading. When Articulate finishes downloading, you will see a message indicating it was successfully installed. Click Finish. You can now sign in to Articulate 360. You will be redirected to your web browser to sign in. Click Start Over. Next, you will see the Articulate 360 window with all the features you can use for free for the next 60 days. Note that the 60 days does include weekends. We have one more step and we're almost done. So we will continue to install Storyline 360 by clicking the Install button next to Storyline 360. This may take several minutes to install, so just be patient. It will eventually install. I think for my first time it took approximately 10 minutes. Once it finishes installing, you will see the Open button next to Storyline 360. So the Install button changed to the Open button to let you know it's finished installing, and now you can open Storyline 360. Go ahead and click Open. Storyline 360 opens and you will see the Storyline 360 feature window. So anytime you need to open Storyline 360, look for this icon on your desktop, the Articulate 360 icon. Double click it and then click Open next to Articulate Storyline 360. Thank you for watching and have fun enjoying Storyline 360.